Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering verifiable evidence, proof of purchase, matching photo ID, and the iPad serial or IMEI. Once done, confirm the purchase date and seller details so Apple can validate ownership quickly. Make sure any associated Apple ID email is noted, and collect receipts or bank statements that show the transaction. This paperwork is the core of your claim. Without it, Apple won't remove activation lock. Act now to assemble clear, dated documentation before contacting support. Next, contact Apple support directly through the official phone or chat channels and select Activation Lock Help. Explain you are the rightful owner and submit the serial or IMEI plus your proof of purchase and photo ID as instructed. Once submitted, Apple's team will verify documents, expect questions, and possible follow-up requests. Allow 24 to 72 hours for review and escalation. If told to visit an Apple store, schedule an appointment and bring originals of every document you. Finally, if remote verification does not resolve the lock, take the iPad and originals to an Apple store appointment and ask for an on-site review. Apple staff can validate documents and, when satisfied, remove activation lock or provide next steps. Once done, set up the iPad with your Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication. If Apple cannot help due to theft concerns, make sure you have reported the device to local law enforcement. Keep the case number for any future claims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.